I think many of you have already realized that Huawei and Honor phones are no longer eligible to use Google mobile services, and that is why the brand new Huawei mobile services exist. However, there are still quite a bit of fundamental things that are unable to be done via the Huawei mobile services. In particular is cloud backup for WhatsApp messages. So today what we're going to do here is show you how to transfer between a Google mobile services Android smartphone into a Huawei or Honor smartphone that is already using Huawei mobile services, and then how to backup all your chat messages via cloud backup. So this tutorial is applicable to any Huawei or Honor smartphones that is running Huawei mobile services right now, and these are the steps on how you can transfer all your chat history from your existing smartphone that is already using Google mobile services into any new Huawei or Honor smartphone that is using Huawei mobile services. So what I'm going to do is just take my existing phone, go into WhatsApp, press the three dots at the top right corner there, and then go into settings, and then I'll tap in chats, and then tap into chat backup, and then there's a big backup button. Just press on that, and once this meter goes into completion, then just leave it be, because after this it will upload to Google Drive. But since the Huawei mobile services don't have Google Drive at all, we'll just leave that be. And for this part of the tutorial, what I'm doing is I'm using a dongle, a USB Type-C to USB Type-A dongle. So I'll just transfer all of the files into a USB stick. If you don't have a USB stick, you can do it via your PC or Mac as well. So just plug it into your phone and then head into the internal storage, scroll all the way down, and you will see a folder called WhatsApp. Just transfer the entire folder into your USB stick. Just remember where you copied it to. And we'll wait for a while. And after the transfer is done, I'll just plug the USB stick into the Huawei Nova 7 SE, and then I'll scroll all the way down, find the WhatsApp folder, copy it into the internal storage of the phone itself. So as you can see, I'll just paste it there. Wait for the transfer to finish. It does take quite a while, so please be patient because I have 1.72 gigs of data. And once the transfer is finished, head into the Huawei app gallery itself and download the official WhatsApp APK. Just search for WhatsApp in the Huawei app gallery, and then you have a link right here that says official app download link. So just press on that and then click the big download now button, download it, and then install the APK. Just tap install, and then it should be done within a few seconds. And once that's done, this is a very important step, so please take note. Head into the settings menu, scroll all the way down, find the apps menu, tap on apps again, scroll all the way down, find WhatsApp, click on permissions and select storage permission, and remember to allow it, because if the storage permission is not allowed, then it will have problems reading what you have transferred into your phone previously. So yes, this is a very important step. And then now we should open the WhatsApp app, log in as usual, and then you will be able to see this menu. It says backup found, it's restored 2 minutes ago, and its size is 1.4 gigabytes. The size doesn't really matter. What matters is that the backup is found and it is backed up like about 2 minutes ago. And then you can see I have 31,000 messages restored. So that's done. All of my chat history has been transferred from my Google Mobile Services Android smartphone into my brand new Huawei Mobile Services smartphone. So now, how do I back up all of my chat history into the cloud? This is how you do it. First of all, head on to the settings menu again, tap on your Huawei ID, and then tap on cloud. And from here, you can see that cloud backup is disabled. What we're going to do here is that we're going to enable cloud backup, and then tap into backup options, scroll all the way down, and then tap on app data. From here, you will see WhatsApp. By default, it is enabled. So we have 1.58 gigabytes of data on WhatsApp, which is currently backed up to the Huawei Cloud service. And Huawei Cloud will only back up automatically when it's charging, locked, and it is connected via Wi-Fi. If you want to force it to backup, then don't worry, there's a button at the bottom there that just says backup. tap on that and then it will back up. And those are the steps that you need to take while transferring all of your WhatsApp chat history from a Google Mobile Services smartphone into a Huawei Mobile Services smartphone. And then there are also some extra steps if you want to back it up online into the Huawei Cloud service, which are shown in this video right here. So yeah, you are done. You are totally backed up online right now, so in case you lost your device, all of your chat history should be backed up to the cloud. So if you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below. We'll be happy to help, and we'll see you in the next video.